How to delete LinkedIn account permanently. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the first thing is you need to open up your LinkedIn application and you need to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see your home page and your profile on your screen. In order to delete your account, you need to move to your account preferences or account settings. For that, you need to tap on the profile icon in the left upper corner. And from over here, you have to tap on the settings, which is at the button. After tapping on that, you need to go for account preferences option at the first. And under account preferences, there are various options. You have to scroll down a little bit and you'll be able to see close account option at the button. You have to simply go for a close account. So close account means deleting your account. So you have to go for continue, but before that you need to read this information. A reminder where it is said that closing your account means you lose your connections and all of your profile information will also be deleted. So if you want, then you can go for continue. And in this section you need to select a reason for closing your account, and after doing that you will be able to see this interface where you have to enter your password to close this account. You can simply tap on the password option and you need to enter your password. If you want to unsubscribe yourself from LinkedIn email communication and including invitations, then you can check mark over here and you'll be unsubscribed from LinkedIn. And after entering the password, you can go for done, and by doing that you will be able to close your account or your account will be deleted. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.